क्वेश्चन एक, जिसकी हम लोग कर रहे हैं ड्राफ्टिंग, ठीक है। A to B, how much? Full length 7 to 5. 7.5 centimeter. Now next, shoulder. Shoulder A to C. So here also mention the name C. Detail is 3 centimeter. Drafting is very important. Measurement same रहेगा, but necklines different always. Right? Now come down. Armhole C to D. Down, come down 2.5 centimeter. It's armhole. Again, all detail mentioned here in this constructions line. A to C. SH is equal to shoulder. SH is equal to shoulder. How much? 3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
Yes, very good. Class is understandable? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now next, C to D. C to D is armhole. Is equal to 2.5 centimeter. This is the small pattern for practice. Okay. Now next.
Okay.
Next is the chest. Chest is 4 centimeter. What is the construction name? E. Here is the F. EF 4 centimeter.